They say in golf we overthink things when it comes to putting, and that can be a huge hindrance to why we miss things. But for practice, just try this method out so you can just get the feel of how your brain can figure out how to get to this destination by itself, because it'll definitely control your body. Put the pin right there. I'm going to do a figure 8 motion. I'll do some circles. I'll just get up to the ball and follow back and through. Do it like that. Try another ball. Figure 8. Do some circles. Still got the ball. Back and through. And I'll do one more. Figure 8. I'll even do some YMCAs on this. Alright? Still got the ball. Back and through. Let's walk up there and see how just doing that, it allowed the brain to figure out where the hole was. And these 3 putts, I did not think hard. Look at that shot group. If this was a tournament, I'd be making that money. But I hope you found this video helpful. What are your thoughts? Leave in the comments box below.